Hey everyone, Laura here with Rags to Rugs, and today I'd like to take advantage of this video to introduce our wonderful Rug on a Roll fabric rolls. These are very popular in the industry, but you may not have checked them out just yet. So hopefully you'll decide on this video how great they are. Now, each of our rolls is 6 yards of fabric. So if you go to the fabric store, it's the equivalent of buying 6 yards of fabric on the bolt. Or if you're good with math, it's 110 linear yards on each roll. They're continuous feed, 100% cotton, and the best part, bias cut. This is a premium cut roll. And bias cut is not only luxurious to work with in our rugs, but it's also thread-free. You're never going to have to contend with the pesky threads on our fabric rolls. That's a really good thing. We do have the light pastels and the darks, as well as black and white. So many, many colors to choose from that'll work well with any of your rug projects. Just a few of them. One of my favorites. And again, we've got the black and white as well. So we're going to provide a link at the bottom of this video. Hope you'll click on it. Join us on our website. Check out these amazing rolls. And I guarantee you're going to love them. So in the meantime, as always, make it a great day.